स्टडी IQ IAS, आपका सिलेक्शन हमारा मिशन।
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Namta Riz. We are UPS English Literature Educator, and today we are going to discuss something that's different from our usual syllabus content. I will be talking about the strategy of how you can use your English literature subject as a very viable option for your UPSC exam. Now, there are many concerns, there are many, you can say, myths about कि English literature में लो तो ऐसा होगा, नहीं लो तो ऐसा होगा. So today I'm going to debunk all the myths. I'm going to tell you the facts, the actual knowledge that you need to choose your subject very wisely. English literature, because I'm an expert in literature, I can tell you that a grasp of this subject comes with gradual reading. However, जब ये आपके पास आती है, when you are able to understand the text, the context of the subject, trust me, no one can write better answers if you know it completely with all the textual and contextual analysis. Writing becomes very easy, reading becomes more profound, and of course your intellect increases, which helps you in so many spheres, including a GS paper. So on that note, let's go ahead with a very important lecture for you to understand why do you need to understand this as a subject. The most important idea, if we look about UPSC literature, so why English literature? We will be understanding this this lesson as why literature can become your rank booster. What is the right strategy to use? What do toppers do differently that they secure such good marks in English literature? And how this course helps you to maximize marks with precision. So now not just reading literature, learning how UPSC rewards literature. So this, don't take it as any other course. Don't take it as कि हमें जब हमने ग्रेजुएशन पढ़ा या मास्टर्स में पढ़ा, यूपीएससी का सिलेबस इतना रिफाइंड है, इतना सर्कमस्क्राइब्ड है और इतना टू द पॉइंट है दैट यू नो व्हेन एवर यू रीड इट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड सो मेनी एस्पेक्ट्स रिलेटेड टू लिटरेचर. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव इज व्हाई चूज लिटरेचर ऑप्शनल. Understand one thing. It's a high scoring optional subject instead of the popular myth that is there that ये underscoring subject है. No. When you know, because इसमें confined syllabus है, static syllabus है, ऐसा नहीं कि इसमें कोई current affairs add हो रहे हैं, कि इसमें कोई new knowledge चाहिए, जैसे और भी जितने आपके subject होते हैं, be it any geography or political science or anything. There are certain things that you need to keep yourself updated with, but not literature. Why? Because it's a static subject. Therefore, आप जितना पढ़ेंगे, जितने बुक से पढ़ेंगे, चाहे पुरानी बुक्स होंगी, अभी की बुक्स होंगी, you will get the right knowledge in the right format and which you can use in your answers, and hence that makes your subject very scoring. So UPSC rewards interpretation and presentation. Guys, remember one thing, UPSC does not want to know कि do you know the text. They want to know, do you understand the contextual analysis of the subject or not. I repeatedly tell my students, ये graduation masters नहीं है. मास्टर्स में भी खैर ये नहीं होता, लेकिन ग्रेजुएशन तक भी इट्स नॉट दैट यू जस्ट नो द प्लॉट, द समरी क्या है. Contextual analysis के लिए you need guidance, need to exercise your brain, you need to develop a sort of a critical assessment, and then only can you write good answers. And for that, of course, this course would be the best for you. Compact syllabus है compared to any other humongous syllabus. Okay, ये compact syllabus है, concise है, you will be able to get the hold of it very easily, quickly. Repetition of themes, concerns, motives, symbols, ये इतना repeated होता है कि अगर आप literature paper उठा के देखिए, trust me, there will not be one single question that you must have not tried to attempt जब आप पढ़ रहे होगे पेपर. वही questions आते हैं. Be it जैसे मैं yesterday what was I teaching? I was teaching Henrik Ibsen's A Doll House, and we saw that 2025 से लेकर 2019 तक similar questions have come, which makes your answer writing very strategic. आप prepare करके ही जाओगे. So now less competition, smaller candidates. Now this is what is a very big plus point कि क्योंकि literature is still, people are understanding कि literature लेने से क्या फ़ायदा होगा. इसका pool small है. जितना small pool है उतना competition आपका less है. So this is again a very beneficial point. Helps in GS and essay writing because आप इतना पढ़ते हो, reading करते हो, intellect develop होता है, expression अच्छा बनता है आपका, diction improve होता है, syntactic structures अच्छे होते हैं, that ultimately you write better GS answers also. नो करंट अफेयर्स बर्डन, जैसे मैंने बोला कि बिकॉज ये स्टैटिक सब्जेक्ट है, इसमें ये नहीं कि ओके ये कि आपका ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा कि बानो मुश्ताक ने अभी कौन सा प्राइज जीता है, कमेंट ऑन दिस. नो, दिस क्वेश्चन विल नॉट कम. ओनली द क्वेश्चंस, द syllabus that is there in your syllabus, that is all that will matter for you, and that therefore this subject becomes very scoring. Now, the biggest problem that students face, random reading. Now, why do people do not score good marks? Guidance नहीं है, उसकी वजह से random reading करते हैं, कुछ भी पढ़ेंगे. But I will tell you the right books that you need, which will hit the nail. So don't do random reading. You need guidance, take help. It is always wise to seek help rather than doing everything on your own. That's unwise when you're preparing for an exam as big as UPSC. So this, now good knowledge but poor presentation. Your knowledge might be good. You might know everything about Renaissance, Restoration, Augustan, Neoclassical, Romantic Age, everything. But do not know how to present that idea. For that you need good guidance. Now, confusion and no conceptual framework. There could be confusion in criticism. So text पता है, critical assessment नहीं कर सकते हैं. इन दोनों चीज़ें में बहुत डिफरेंस होता है. You might know the entire story of King Lear, लेकिन King Lear कहना क्या चाहता है? What is the critical judgment of that text? For that you need somebody to help you out. And theme, symbolism and interpretation all becomes very mandatory for your good answer writing. Too many sources, PDF notes, YouTube lectures, जब आप इतना ज़्यादा carry forward करते तो when there is kind of an extreme level of options you have to take help from, that becomes confusing. Take one source, आप उसको देखिए, उसको पढ़िए, make one person your mentor, your guide. Have confidence on that mentor, understand it कि ठीक है, I will be able to go ahead with this course because this person has knowledge, this person will be able to help me better, write better answers. For that, you do not need all the YouTube lectures, you do not need all the PDF notes, everything that's available on internet. कितना जाए, कितना पढ़ लोगे, right? So for that you need to have a certain strategy. Lack of revision, अब जब revision की बारी में आती है, that's important. You need to have at least 1 month of revision, guys. उसके लिए आप एंड तक कोर्स नहीं कंप्लीट करोगे, आपका कोर्स 1 महीना पहले ख़त्म हो जाना चाहिए. UPSC does not reward readers, it rewards strategic writers. Remember, they are not looking at कितना पढ़ा है, आप कितना strategically चीज़ों को समझ के लिख सकते हो. That's very important for your UPSC course. Then you have what makes this course different. It's a rank oriented system, guys, not just lecture course. So complete syllabus आपको मिलेगा इसमें, entire coverage is there. Every text, every author, movement, criticism is explained very clearly. I always take at least one lecture completely to make you understand about the age that we are talking about. For instance, अगर Renaissance age है, तो one lecture will be completely about Renaissance age. कि this is the Renaissance age, this was the plays that were performed here, this was the political aspect, the social aspect of that age, and then only we move. So that makes your knowledge very profound. UPSC focus interpretation hai, learn exactly how to convert literary understanding into marks. Okay, so I always strategize my writing, my teaching as such. Answer writing training hai, guys, introduction framework, quote integration, कैसे हम quote लगा सकते हैं, कौन कौन से quotes पढ़ना है. Even this I tell my students, which are important, which you need to mandatorily learn in order to put it in your answers. Strong conclusions are very important. Introduction, कंटेंट एंड कंक्लूजन, 3 चीज़ों से हमारा आंसर बनता है. तीनों चीज़ें कैसे स्ट्रेंथ, कैसे स्ट्रांगली लिखना, यह मेंशन होता है. PYQ बेस्ड प्रेपरेशन, डीकोड रेकरिंग UPSC पैटर्न्स एंड थीम्स, ये एक हमेशा स्ट्रैटेजी होती है. जो PYQ हम देखते हैं उसमें भी पता चलता है कि दिस थीमेटिक कंसर्न हैज बीन एम्फसाइज्ड अपॉन, दिस इज अ सिंबॉलिक आंसर दैट हैज बीन आस्क्ड अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके, सो ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग हम लोग जब देखते हैं तभी हम लोग के एक असेसमेंट होता है, एक यू कैन से एंटिसिपेशन होता है दैट दिस कैन बी आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रेडी टू रिवाइज नोट्स, ऑल द नोट्स दैट आई have, I teach as a teacher also. I give all my students all the notes because all I want is you guys to get the knowledge from me, what I want to convey. वो चाहे extra notes हो, आपके PDF के notes हो या आपके PPTs हो, whatever, so that you guys get all the notes in hand. Don't have to flip over कि यहाँ से भी पढ़े, यहाँ से भी पढ़े. Everything is there just in one corner. Personal mentorship, guidance on strategy, improvement and score optimization. If you guys really perform well in your exams, guys, usse behreen. There is no other victory for teacher if whatever knowledge the teacher is passing to the students take it and represent it in that exact manner. And for that, if you need mentorship at any point of time, the teachers of Study IQ are always there, and so am I. So guys, the scoring strategy, how we turn preparation into marks, concept clarity होना चाहिए, हमें concept पता होना चाहिए, what it is, symbols, literary devices, figure of speeches, whatever is there. Smart notes are very important for you to get hands on your right subject. Model answers, we got to understand. So yes, after every lesson, I have my PYQ set and expected questions that can come in your next exam. For that, I could give answers to every question, be it PYQ or your expected question. From that, you can understand that what is there, how to write your model answers. Intensive practice, you practice and you practice. Jitna practice karoge likhna, that is beneficial for you. I check the answers. I guide you in how you can improve your writing. Revision cycles. So revision cycles बहुत important है guys. जब ये होता है तो we are able to understand the course very well. Results students can expect before the course. You are confused. Answers are weak. Fear of optional, के optional में क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. Low confidence. Once you take this course, trust me, you're going to get immense confidence. Clear literary understanding of concepts, literary devices, so many, whatever that is there in the text. Confident answer writing, faster revision, better test performance, high scoring potential. Remember guys, your optional should become your strength, not your stress. For that, if you are going ahead with this purchase of the course, you're doing a very wise thing because you will ultimately benefit a lot. If you are serious about UPSC mains, guys, start strategically. This course will save preparation time. There is a guide. There is a teacher who is mentoring you, who is telling you which direction to go ahead. Take avail of that help. Avoid unnecessary sources. Build topper level answer writing. Increase option score and prepare with clarity and confidence. Who should join? Ultimately, I'm also going to choose my students and who should join if beginners in literature options. So if you are, if you just started reading, even if your course, aapka masters or graduation nahi hai English literature mein, that does not matter. But if you are willing to learn this course with intense reading, then English literature is for you. Don't take it in a stress manner. Take it in a कि मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, to gain that wisdom, to develop that intellect. Trust me guys, literature is one subject which actually gives you great level of intellect. You are able to not only navigate literature but navigate life. And that is why this subject is so brilliant. Aspirants struggling with answer writing, if you think that yes, my answer writing are good enough but not that strong enough, my answer writing is weak, I need a mentor, this course is for you. Students targeting 280 plus marks. If you think, okay, मुझे इतने marks चाहिए, I am aiming for these marks, the course is for you. Working aspirants needing structure preparation. So this is for all those students. And if you are really going ahead with literature as optional subject, then remember, it's a great option score. This can change your final rank, and the right strategy can change your preparation journey. So guys, you need strategy, you need the right guidance, you need the right mentor to help you clear this exam. So if you're looking for it, go ahead, join the course, prepare. And guys, 12th June is the day when we are starting with my course. Again, the entire fresh batch would be starting. Go ahead, join the course, be a part of this journey, and trust me, you are really going to do well. Thank you everyone. Have a very nice day.
Study IQ IAS, आपका सिलेक्शन हमारा मिशन.